In the midst of the chaos of World War II, a brilliant mind emerged, not only to crack the infamous Enigma code, but to forever change the landscape of artificial intelligence. Meet Alan Turing, the man who not only helped win the war, but also laid the foundation for machines to think like humans. During World War II, Turing worked tirelessly at Bletchley Park, the top secret British code breaking center. His groundbreaking work on the Enigma machine significantly contributed to the Allies' victory. But Turing's genius didn't stop there. Fast forward to the post war era. Turing began pondering a question that would shape the future of AI. Can machines think? To answer this, he proposed the now famous Turing Test. Imagine a scenario where a human interacts with both another human and a machine without knowing which is which. If the human can't reliably distinguish between the two, the machine is said to have passed the Turing test. The Turing test challenged the very essence of human intelligence. Could a machine simulate human thought to the point where it becomes indistinguishable? This concept paved the way for the development of artificial intelligence, raising profound questions about the nature of consciousness and machine intelligence. Alan Turing, the codebreaker, the visionary, and the father of artificial intelligence. His legacy lives on in every chatbot, voice assistant, and self-driving car we encounter today. As we marvel at the capabilities of machines, let's not forget the man who dared to ask, can machines think? Alan Turing, a true pioneer in the quest to unravel the mysteries of the human mind and human intelligence.